I have a video shoot this coming weekend, and I believe we're going to be shooting in a bathroom. So I wanted to see what it sounds like with just the different mic setups, see which one's going to sound better. I figure as long as I'm going to, and yeah, I'm tuned really low. I think I'm tuned down to a whole D. And one of my favorite Elvis songs, I'm going to do one verse, and then I'm going to switch the mics, and I'm going to do the second verse, and see which one I can work with more. So it's going to go like this. Caught in a trap, can't walk out, 'cause I love you too much, baby. On this one I'm using the Rode directly into the zoom, and then I have my powered one up on top. So, and again, there's all the ambient noise going on behind and in the bathroom as you would normally have. So this was, why can't you see what you're doing to me? When you don't believe the words I'm saying. We can't go on together with suspicious minds. We cannot build our dreams on suspicious minds. And I guess I'm going to leave it at that. I haven't played in so long. I'm extremely rusty other than picking around here and there, and I know I'm tuned a whole step down, but that's okay. That wasn't the purpose of this test. It was just to see which mic I actually like better. I'm going to run both. Maybe I'll buy another Zoom. Maybe I'll buy another powered mic. I don't know. Anyway, just a little fun. Thanks for watching, man. We'll see you. Let's see if I can fade this out to nothing. You ready? Go.